एआई से सब लोगों की जॉब जा रही है। सबसे पहले तो इस बेचारे की गई थी।
Thomas, meet McCannell. Mr. McCannell here is taking your job as mouse catcher.
Not just Tom, because of AI robots, even we will lose our jobs one day. Well, recently Mercedes-Benz introduced humanoid robots to its factories. These robots will inspect vehicle parts and bring parts to the assembly line. Even recently, Cognition AI company launched the world's first fully autonomous software engineer named Devin.
Hey, I'm Scott from Cognition AI, and today I'm really excited to introduce you to Devin, the first AI software engineer.
Well, Devin, software engineer who can handle coding, test the code, and deploy it autonomously. Well, there is more. In India, an AI teacher robot named Iris was launched in a school. Iris can speak 3 languages and also answer difficult questions, along with features like voice assistant and interactive learning. Well, soon software engineers, teachers, and workers' jobs will be replaced by AI robots. Well, what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section.